Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Okay, let's take tabletop pose. And from here, rock your upper body forward and back. About 10 times. So now let's take from tabletop to downward facing. And from here today, lifting up your right leg. At the same time, try to lift up your left if you can balance and enjoy the balance. Be playful. If you can hold maybe 5 breaths. And now try the other side. And if it is too much, just lift up one leg. And if you want to have a little bit of a challenge, lift up opposite hand to balance. And now down. And from here, lift up right leg. Bring to your chest and stretch out to the side. And bring your right hand center and lift up your left hand up. Okay. And bring your left hand down. And bring your right leg to the center. And inhale, lifting up your left. Exhale, knee to your chest. Always thread through your right. Bring your left palm center, lifting up right palm, fingertips to the sky. Now, palms down. Bring your left leg back. Go through Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. Let's take 5 deep breaths. And exhale forward. 10 toes, 10 fingers open wide. And press them down. Bring your chest close to your thighs. Tailbone up towards sky. And shoulders away from ears. And now left leg up and step between your hands. And from here, right palm make sure to plant down and left to the sky. And bring down and stretch front leg. And bend your knee, twisted lunge, fingertips reach to the sky. Inhale, exhale, down and stretch. Inhale, bend your knee. Stretch your knee. Inhale, as you exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, straighten your knee. Go through the motion using your breathing. And from here, let's try and shift your body weight onto your palm and lift up back leg. And knee cross. Try you can go through forward and hold. 1, 2, breathe. 3, 4, and 5. Let's see if we can navigate through to the back, to the lunge. Okay, now from here, switch your legs. Right leg inhale, right leg swinging up, step between hands. Okay, left palm down, right fingertips reaching to the sky, twisted lunge. Inhale, as you exhale, bring your palms down, straighten your knee. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, straighten your knee. Stretch the back of your leg. Inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, walk on your floor. Create the energy flow and energize your body. Energy goes throughout your body and create heat. And from here, shift your weight in the front leg and lift up back leg and go through forward and balance. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and kick back your leg. And bring front leg back. And let's take a little bit, shift your hips to the side, down one leg, stretch your back of your leg, lower back. And now open your leg about mat distance. Okay. And from here, stretch your arm, palm, back of your palm together and bow, tuck your chin. And it is okay if you cannot squat down all the way, lower down to the mat, it is okay. Do your best. And relax. Okay, so now bring your heels close and on your toes. And open it as wide as you can. And palms facing forward, shoulder blades together. It's called Sonkyo stance. Sonkyo in Japanese. You see it in the sumo wrestler taking this kind of pose sometimes. And relax down. Sit down, nice and easy. And palms facing up. Just take a moment, quiet down your body, and try to feel the energy created through the exercise. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!